So, good morning, gentlemen. So, today I'm going to talk about some of the various organizations like DRDO, like BDL, like HL. Means these are the autonomous organizations that works under the Ministry of Defense. So, what are their roles, how they perform function, and how they develop their and which product they develop and that help the armed forces in India. So, we are going to discuss one by one. If we're talking about the DRDO, the DRDO means Defense Research and Development Organization. It's founded in the 1958. It comes under the Ministry of Defense. Okay, if we're talking about their headquarters is in the Delhi. Okay, so we're talking about the what they perform. Like means we can say that it is a R&D of the Indian Armed Forces. Like they make the missiles, they make radars, like means they help in the indigenously weapons, they help in the indigenously made weapons made by the armed forces. Okay, so their major achievement, like what are the DRDO achievement, like DRDO established in the 1958, and so till the 1958 to 2026 what they have performed and what they have achieved. Okay, so we are going to discuss, like I'm not going into details, but I will tell you what the means, what we can say that what their major but their major defense equipment are. Okay, so let's talk about the if we're talking about the DRDOs, like DRDO has developed many ballistic missiles. If we're talking about the short range ballistic missile, we have like Pralay Prithvi series. If we're talking about the long range, we have Agni missiles, Agni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like Agni 4 and 5. That is the ICBM intercontinental ballistic missile. So they had developed this. They were talking about the other missiles like DRDO developed. We can say that it developed the Akash defense system. Okay, Akash defense system. It developed, like if we go on the further, it developed the Pralay missiles. Okay, it developed the Pralay missiles, and if we go further, it developed the like main battle tanks that use the our armed forces main battle tank like Arjun, like Zoravar. Okay, they also developed the Pinaka multi-barrel rocket launcher. It is like we can say that multi-barrel rocket launcher. It is like a artillery fire. Okay, artillery. So this is the DRD developed. Now we're talking about the what is HL. HL means Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It also comes under the Ministry of the Defense. So what their major primary functions, like it if we're talking about their function, they primarily manufacture like the aerospace, we can say that aerospace, we can say that it maintains it building and maintaining of the helicopters and their aircraft like engines. We can say that they means maintaining and building of some aircraft, not aircraft, but their helicopters like HAL, Rudra, Dhruv, like HAL, Prachand. So these are types of helicopter that HAL maintained and they building, manufactured, mainly manufactured. And if we're talking about the BDL, what is the function of the BDL means Bharat Dynamics Limited. Okay, Dynamics Limited. What their major function? So it function as we can say that they manufacture like the guided missile system, like they develop the Astra, that is the means beyond visual range air to air missiles. They develop the Nag, that is anti-tank guided missile. They develop the torpedoes. So what are torpedoes? Torpedo means these are the like a missiles that means we fire from the underground like submarines or anything. So that is a torpedo. So these all about the defense organizations of the India. Thank you.